how to see list interacted friends on Facebook. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you how. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So open up your Facebook application on your screen and then you may go ahead and log in into your account and you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, what you need to do is look for the option called your profile at the very top right. You can open up the menu bar or you can directly head over to your profile by tapping on the name or your profile on the home page. Once you go ahead and do that by tapping on the name and or your profile on the home page, once that is done, you may scroll down and look for your friends option on your screen and tap on see all friends. Once you go ahead and tap on it, all you gotta do is from the given interface, look for the manage icon at the top right at the friend section. Go ahead and tap on it. And then after tapping on it, on this section right here, you should be finding this option of list interacted with. So go ahead and look out for this option called list interacted with. When you go ahead and tap on it, it will show you a list of people with whom you have the list interaction. And then that is it. That is how you basically go ahead and view your list interacted person, your friends in your Facebook account. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.